No more Gemini or Topaz for the photo enhancement. Enhance low quality photos with the Gemini 4K high quality for free. Hey guys, I'm Hamza from Android Ultra. Hope you're doing great and fantastic. New to the channel, subscribe to support the Gemini app here. Click on upload button to upload your image. Alongside that, we have the create image and other models available, as well as we have fast pro and the thinking. Choose the fast and choose the create image model and upload your image and type the prompt. You can simply copy mine one. Before you are going to copy my prompt, subscribe to never miss new videos and more videos just like this one. And here is the results. You may be add the more negatives according to your image, but these are the enough and sufficient for the portrait images. Here is the Ryan Gosling from the La La Land. The original image is very low quality and the dark, but after enhancement it looks great. Here is the Hannah, another very low quality, almost not visible face at all. Obviously, I choose this image from the internet randomly. This will take some time for processing, 10 to 15 seconds. Once processed, click on your image and you can download by click on the top right side. Download button. This is very quick and the most easy way to enhance your photo quality. No complex prompts, simple and to the point. Before it, I show via the chat GPT. Basically, my aim is to compare all of these chat GPT, Grok, the Gemini to show which one is the best, but I rather choose separate reviews and later I will compare all of these. So you can copy my prompt. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what do you think about it and don't forget to check out my video answer playlist.